Alright, in this video we're going to talk about the Barclays Uber Visa credit card. Why? Because of so many reasons. There's no annual fee, which is amazing for the amount of benefits you get with this card. You get 4% back on dining, 3% back on travel, 2% back on Uber. Yeah, the Uber part's a little weak, but you still get 2% back on Uber and online shopping, and 2% back on streaming spend, as in Hulu, Netflix, Spotify. And there's no foreign exchange fees. So this makes it one of the best travel cards you could get with no annual fee. Similar cards are going to have at least a $60 annual fee, and you probably won't get as much in cash back on dining. For me, it's incredibly valuable because I dine out a lot. I don't like cooking. I can cook, but I don't like cooking because it's a hassle and food is super cheap out here anyway. So if you're like me and want the best deals, I'd get the Uber Visa credit card. I'm not getting a commission or anything. I just think you should know that there is an amazing free credit card out there, and you don't have to really spend money on a credit card with annual fees just to get something with cash back on dining and no foreign transaction fees. Alright, that was the blog.org quick tips, and until next time. There's also something really important I forgot to mention about the Uber Visa card. If you sign up and you spend $500 within the first 90 days, they give you a $100 statement credit.